And welcome back. We had cloudy skies across the region today. High temperatures only near 30 degrees, and we've stayed at that mark into the evening now, and going into the early overnight, we are going to be just below freezing. And it looks like we do have some areas of freezing fog or even some freezing drizzle. This just in from the Custer County Emergency Management Office that travel is not advised across the county due to ice. Here's a look at the visibility. This freezing drizzle is not really showing up on the radar, but we'll take a look at the visibility. It looks like the thickest fog that could be freezing at this time out toward the Thedford area points off to the north up toward Valentine and off to the east of North Platte. Now there's some drizzle in North Platte, but the worst of it now across Custer County, especially between Broken Bow and Lexington, and off to the south down toward McCook. We're seeing 2.5 to 3 mile visibility. So just be aware of that. Temperatures across the region into the upper 20s at Lexington, Broken Bow, mid-20s at Valentine, near 30 from North Platte and points off to the west. We could not get rid of that easterly wind, 5 to 15 miles per hour. That easterly flow is producing moisture and the freezing drizzle and freezing fog across the region. So because of that, we do have a winter weather advisory in effect through the overnight till noon Central Time tomorrow from Lincoln and Custer County, points off to the north, including Cherry County at Valentine, who will also be in a winter weather advisory Wednesday night into Thursday because of that winter storm that's going to skirt us off to the north. So we do have mainly cloudy skies, slippery conditions south, east, and north of North Platte up toward Valentine because of the freezing fog and possibly some freezing drizzle. So across the region, we do have one low pressure system that's exiting most of its moisture off to our east. High pressure's in charge as of right now, but we're tracking another low off the west coast. It's going to be our next weather maker. It will basically go right over us. A little bit of a surge of warm air pumping in some moisture from the Gulf will give us some rain or snow showers as we go through overnight Wednesday into Thursday before that system is quickly out of here and will dry out approaching the weekend. So tracking it through time, we're going to stay mainly dry through the overnight, lows in the mid-20s and highs only in the mid-30s as we go through the day tomorrow. Still, we will have cloudy skies, some snow showers possible for your Wednesday night, on and off periods of just light snow lasting through Thursday from the I-80 corridor and points off to the north. Temperatures in the upper 20s through the overnight. The system works its way out. This is Thursday at 10 a.m. and then we'll quickly start to clear. A strong northwesterly wind will dry us out. Thursday's high will be near 40 degrees. Here's a look at the snowfall potential, and this is the latest run that just came in. North Platte is very close to that 3-inch line. You can see the darker blue, that's 3 to 6 inches into the Sand Hills. Broken Bow points off to the north, and 3 to 6 inches up toward Valentine, but only in the 1 to 3 inch range from North Platte points off to the south and west in this light blue shading. This is again Wednesday night through the morning on Thursday. Here's a closer look at it. We got this low that's going to be approaching as we go through Wednesday evening, with some snow showers possible lasting through the overnight into Thursday, but with the low going right over us, the wind flips around to a very dry northwesterly direction pretty quickly, and we'll get rid of the snow as we go through, say, mid-morning or at latest early afternoon on Thursday before we start to clear out. Temperatures are actually going to be warmer than usual with a winter storm, mid-30s to lower 40s Wednesday into Thursday, mostly cloudy Friday, a high near 40, and 51 on Saturday. Still can't get rid of the clouds. Mid to upper 40s with sunshine Sunday and Monday with mostly sunny skies. And then for Tuesday, partly cloudy with highs in the mid-50s. Kent?
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. And researchers with the American Heart Association have some tips on how you can get a good night's sleep.